Get quick, practical answers while you draft reports. Milvue Chat is our trained LLM dedicated to answer technical medical questions. If, at any point during the creation, editing, or review of your report, you come across an uncertainty or merely want additional information, switch over to a Milvue Chat tab at the top of the web app and type or dictate your question. In this case, I am a little rusty on ECG interpretation. I ask the following to Milvue Chat. Explain how to measure the QTC on a 12-lead ECG and name two common pitfalls that bias value. After waiting a few seconds, our model answers with a clear text. I can follow up the conversation or change tabs to go back to my report. I can even add a new tab in the Milvue chat if I want to have another conversation in parallel. The Milvue chat supports your clinical judgment. It never replaces it.